Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MathsMasteryMentor. If you are a class 10 student who are preparing for your CBSE exam, you have come to the right place. Here today you will find out easy NCERT solutions of chapter 4 Quadratic Equation exercise 4.1. So let's get started with the first question. See, what is the first question? Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So we will not directly go into the question. First we will see what is quadratic equation. Okay children, what is quadratic equation? It has degree 2. Then the general formula is x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Degree 2 no. So we should find the degree of the equation. So let's get started. X plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. See children, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. We all know a plus b whole square formula, no? So let's see what is a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So write this in this form. X square plus 2 into in a we are having x, so x and b 1 plus 1 square, and again we will split this also. 2x minus 6, that implies x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. That implies we will take these terms to this side. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Again we will get x square. We have 2x no, but the sign is plus and minus, so it gets cancelled. Then the remaining are plus 1 plus 6 equals to 0. Then what equation we are getting? 6 square plus 1 plus 6 is 7 equals to 0. Then what is the degree of this? 2. So therefore the degree of the equation is 2. Therefore it is 2 no. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Understood children? So students, we will see the next question. What is given? X square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So let's solve this equation. We will get x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into 3 will become minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6 will become 2x, and sign is minus into minus will become plus 2x. Then again we will simplify it. We will shift this numbers to this side. So x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x equals to 0. Then what we will get? X square. This x is common no. So what is this? Minus 2x will become 4x. And what is the sign? Minus. So 4x plus 6 equals to 0. In this, what is the degree of the equation? 2. Therefore, the degree of the equation is 2. If the degree is 2, then it is a quadratic equation. Understood children?